Hello everybody, so today we will speak about the materials we are going to use in this course. I tried to choose the minimum that you will need for this course, or for me it's the golden ratio from which I can work and create almost any illustration. So today we will speak more detailed about each supply that I use, and I hope that you will also like it and you will use it in your works. So now we will speak in more details about all the materials, and we'll start with watercolor. As you have seen in the lessons, my basic palette is Rembrandt watercolor. I have been for a long time ambassador of Rembrandt and I love this brand. That's why I use it. I'm not an ambassador now, but I still love it. So I think that 99% of my palette is the Rembrandt watercolor, so I can recommend it for you. Why do I like namely this one? As I have already said, because these pigments are monopigment colors. We have a lot of transparent colors, and when I mix them, the illustration will look clean, transparent. It will not look kind of dirty. So I always try to achieve this effect in my illustrations, and namely that's why most of the watercolors that I use are Rembrandt, because they are light fast and transparent and monopigment, so all the characteristics that a professional watercolor needs. So I recommend you to try these pigments, try these colors. If you don't have Rembrandt, of course you can use some other brands. You don't have to buy this one. All the professional brands more or less have the same level. If it is a high level, if it is a quality watercolor, then you can use Schmincke, Daniel Smith, or other professional brands of watercolor. I think that you will also like them, and pay attention especially to the pigments that are here, and so that here you have as little pigments mixed together as you can find. This will give you clean colors, so pay attention to this no matter what brand you are using. At the end of this lesson, I will give you a list of all the supplies, all the pigments that I have used during the lesson, so you can buy the same ones as I have chosen, or just find your basic set of watercolor and just add several colors that you are lacking.